Hello friends, in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to exploit Windows 7 or hack into Windows 7 using Metasploit. In the previous video tutorial I told you to install Windows 7 and Kali Linux machine in your virtual environment. Now go to Kali Linux machine and you can access Metasploit Framework in two ways. Either you can go to Applications, then Exploitation Tool, and then click on here to start Metasploit. Or you can click here to start Metasploit Framework. It will take little bit time in loading up. You can see our Metasploit Framework is successfully loaded. It's version 4.1. We are going to open a new Windows here or new terminal. I am going to start here a service called PostgreSQL. So type down service, then the name of the service as PostgreSQL, then the operation, and click on hit enter. As we want to check the status of the service, type down status. You can see our PostgreSQL service is successfully started. We activated this service so we can search exploit payloads in very effective manner. Now press Ctrl+C to exit. And to know our IP address of this machine, type down ifconfig. You can see this one is IP address of our machine. It's also called as lhost. So minimize this window and go to our Metasploit Framework or terminal. I am going to use MSF In this video tutorial, we are going to create a exe file and we will send that exe file to our victim. Whenever victim double click or open our exe file, we will get Metasploit session. So let's see how we are going to do. Type down msf venom, then the name of the payload -p, then payload as Windows Metasploit, then _TCP. Then we have to give lhost. Lhost is also called our IP address. So copy our IP address and paste it here. We are going to generate a exe file. So F for file, then the extension of that file, exe. And the location where we want to save our file as output. I'm going to save our file on desktop. And the name of the file, game.exe. And click on enter. You can see our file will be generated here. Our file is successfully generated. In next tutorial, we will see how to set up handler.